what's up, what's up? It's me, Risa. Welcome to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And for that, let's dive in for our video. Hi! Beautiful colors. Grabe, you're so cute naman. Hi! I would like to introduce these two cute little birds. Yan. Diba? They're so cute. Saan kayo makakahanap ng ganyan ka-cute na mga birds? Ay, ang cute ng eyes. I love you guys. Here. Look at. Yeah. Look at them. Would you like to sing for me a lullaby, birds? Huh? Can you sing with me? Can you sing with me?
A few inches later.
Hey, thank you for singing with me. Oh, diba guys? Diba when I said that, can you sing with me? They sing. Okay. Oh, thank you. You're not finished. Okay. Now you have a little cute there also. There. It's a beautiful color. Diba? Tsaka ito naman, dito ako humihiga guys. Look at. And then in the morning, I hear their voices. So cute. Yeah. Look at them.
6.5 hours later.
Another morning, another day, and listening the two beautiful birds again. Hi, birds. Di ba ang ganda ng ang ganda nila. Gusto ko yung sounds. They're so cute. Hi. Hello. How are you guys? How are you little birds? How you doing there? Hi. You're so cute. Super. Look at you. Hi. Beautiful colors. Grabe, you're so cute naman. Hi. I would like to introduce these two cute little birds. Yan. Diba? They're so cute. Saan kayo makakahanap ng ganyan ka-cute na mga birds? Ay, ang cute ng eyes. I love you guys. Here. Look at yung special na ang lovebirds sila. Napaka-cute. Tingnan niyo yung kulay guys. Look at. At saka yung tangkay niya. Napakatulis. So, they're so cute. Yan. Nakabehave lang sila. So, dyan, yun yung ano nila pag matulog na sila. Every morning, napakaganda ng sounds nila, guys. Nakakabigay ng peace talaga. Nakakawala ng stress. So, ito naman yung lovebirds. Yan, napaka-sweet nila. Sila ay si Queen Elizabeth and King Charles. Diba, napaka-cute. I love these two birds, guys. Look at them. Hi! Hello! You give me beautiful music in the morning. The two little beautiful birds.
A few moments later.
A very lovely one. Look at that. A very lovely one. Oh, di ba? Saan ka pa? Super lovely the bird. Yan. Hi. Hi. Hello. Hello guys. Ang color niya ay green. So cute. Sobra. So siya special siya lang mag-isa. Yan, may white at may green siya sa likod.